The Book of Psalms, Psalm 41. For the choirmaster, a psalm of David. Blessed is the one who cares for the poor. The Lord will deliver him in the day of trouble. The Lord will protect and preserve him. He will bless him in the land and refuse to surrender him to the will of his foes. The Lord will sustain him on his bed of illness and restore him from his bed of sickness. I said, O Lord, be gracious to me. Heal me, for I have sinned against you. My enemies say with malice, when will he die and be forgotten? My visitor speaks falsehood. He gathers slander in his heart. He goes out and spreads it abroad. All who hate me whisper against me. They imagine the worst for me. A vile disease has been poured into him. He will never get up from where he lies. Even my close friend whom I trusted, the one who shared my bread, has lifted up his heel against me. But you, O Lord, be gracious to me and raise me up, that I may repay them. By this I know that you delight in me, for my enemy does not triumph over me. In my integrity you uphold me and set me in your presence forever. Blessed be the Lord, the God of Israel, from everlasting to everlasting. Amen and amen.